There's Jeffrey, Tia, and Ashley.
Who else?
There's Pauline and Grandpa Dave. And what else do?
Auntie
Auntie
Kelly
Kelly
and Rhino
and Reno.
and
No,
Lo.
Skip.
Mm-hmm.
And there's Caleb.
Uh-huh. And what about Matt
Matt and
Auntie Maddie?
Auntie Maddie and Jeffy.
And what about Paige?
His name Harry.
Mm-hmm. Who else?
Who else do?
Baby Boo.
Baby Blank
And Kayla
and Caleb
and Faith.
and Faith.
Uncle Chad.
No, I know.
Yeah, remember we called him on his birthday. And Auntie Tracy.
You want to do that?
Yeah, I want